All right, let's take a look at our almanac and see how do we do today compared to where we should be right now. And today's high 45 degrees. We should be at 46, so that's perfect, right on par. Last night 39, should be sitting right around 26 degrees. So a little bit warmer in the evening, and we're looking at another warm evening tonight. Record 72 as a high, negative 20 as a low, so we're nowhere near that. And I mentioned that we were pretty close to 1 inch. They're actually up to about 0.91 right now in Hagerstown. So we're going to close out the month a little over 3.5 inches, especially with that extra rain over the next couple of hours or so. Taking a look at the next 7 days, we're going to have one day that's going to be a little bit colder. That's on Tuesday. We're right in the low 40s or so, and then a nice warming trend. And then slowly we're going to go back down to some colder weather, mid 40s by the end of the week. But either way, this is at or above our average for this time of the year, so it's not too bad. Winds currently outside have been pretty light all day. They're going to continue to be all night. Tomorrow's the real question, where we're going to see wind speeds not sitting around 3 or 5 miles an hour, but more of 12 to 15 miles an hour. We're also going to have gusts up to 30 miles an hour. So radar over the last few hours or so, it's been kind of quiet all around D.C., points north and west, and you can see some of that rain just slowly working its way back in. It's fairly light. A little bit heavier right now down in Prince William County and Dale City, and that's going to continue to move into the area again over the next couple of hours. It's going to trail right behind this cold front, and it's going to push through all morning. We're seeing the heaviest towards the morning hours right before sunrise, and then right after the morning commute, after it's soggy and damp, we're actually going to get a little bit of clearing later on Monday afternoon. And then we've got a trough swinging through. Just means we're going to have a northwest wind. That's where we're talking about that 30 miles an hour, just bringing in some of that cooler air for our Tuesday. That's what a high pressure does as well. It's got clockwise rotation, bringing in some cold air, so we'll have sunny skies, just going to be in the low 40s. So overall, not too bad. And then heading into Wednesday with another pretty good day, and once again, nice and dry. So for tonight, our temperature is sitting right around those mid 40s. A little bit colder out in Oakland at 37. Even southern Pennsylvania sitting right at 40 degrees. So your planner for tomorrow is that rain in the morning, temperatures staying really consistent around the mid 40s or so. About midday, we'll see some clouds later towards sunset, where the sun will start to pop out, and then we'll have a clear night tomorrow, getting down into the 30s. So tomorrow's temperature, Great Falls, Virginia, 55 degrees with those gusty winds throughout the afternoon once we get past that morning rain. And then temperatures around the region, 48 in Hagerstown, 54 in Rockville, 57 in Remington, 55 in Luray. And then for your 7-day forecast, we've got the rest of the week pretty dry all the way through. Temperatures going to hover around average or slightly above for the rest of the week. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.
Thanks, Mike.